how to save data on Instagram. So this is going to be for the Instagram app on either your Android or iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you want to go to the home screen of the Instagram app. Then you're going to need to go to your profile. So click the bottom right hand corner to get to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, you want to look to the top right hand corner where you'll see three little lines at the top right there. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. It should be the first one that you see at the top there. Next, you'll want to scroll down slightly until you see Preferences. Click on Preferences, then you'll see this menu here where you'll see towards the bottom Data Usage. You want to click on Data Usage, then within here you want to click on Use Less Mobile Data. Make sure it's black and not blue. So blue will mean on, black will mean off, so do it for both of them, the upload quality as well, to save the most data possible. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.